All right, let's get to the phone lines. We've got Laura on the line. Hey there, Laura. What's your question?
Hey, Laura.
Hi, Laura.
My question is, my husband was in a facility here, and he passed away last August.
Okay.
And from the time he was in the facility, I found him with bed sores. I found him tied in a wheelchair, and no nurses around, and they were down at another end of the hall. They're put in rooms with people with the same conditions that can't talk, can't walk. He was dehydrated when he passed away. He had a feeding tube in him. He got pneumonia. I called 3 meetings with all of them and never got nothing back. And I was smart enough that the Monday after he had passed away, I went back and got his medical records. And I'm wondering if there's anything. I know the company that's handling the nursing home has been under investigation before.
Well, I mean, I hear several red flags. You're not supposed to tie someone up, right?
Right.
Correct.
No.
I know.
And bed sores.
Yeah.
And
Dehydration.
I mean, that sounds like a classic place that we would say, you know, don't send your loved one
Right.
to. So, go ahead.
And what I would say, Laura, is this. You, in my opinion, should have a lawyer who specializes in nursing home negligence, review those records. I'm happy to do that, Bill Island's office, but you only have 2 years from the date of the injury to file a lawsuit, if that's what it turns out to be. Not every case becomes a lawsuit, not every potential case, but you've already used not quite a year, but about 9 months. And I know when you're grieving and you've lost your spouse, lawsuit is not the first thing you think of, and that's a good thing. But now that you're thinking about it, you should get someone, in my opinion, who specializes in nursing home negligence. Not all lawsuits are the same, and these do require a certain amount of, review and examination. I'm also a registered nurse. Bill forgot to say that, but he usually does.
I forgot. She's a registered nurse.
But that's important because you can look at these medical records.
She's one of the few people in Mobile who is a lawyer, but also been a lawyer for, a nurse for, ever and a day. Not to give away our age, but
43 years, and proud of it.
And so she knows the legal background and the medical background, which I know the legal background, but I don't know the medical. So it's people like her that I have to call. But she's kind of one of the rare breeds that knows. It's kind of the best of both worlds.
Yeah, you know what to look for. And it's important that she got those medical files, and hopefully she documented some of those other things that she discussed with pictures.
That's right.
That's
exactly
important.
right. You cannot document too much. And Laura, I'm glad that you got the medical records. In another week, maybe they wouldn't have given them to you because they would have been afraid you were thinking about a lawsuit. So that was a very good plan you made.
All right.